my name is Karabusina, the General Manager of Rights Holder Services in samro. Samro is an organization that represents writers of music and composers as well as publishers. So the function of samro is essentially to ensure that we collect licensing fees from broadcasters and even, your local stores, be it, grocery stores or anything of that sort, as long as they consume music, and ensure that we then take that money and pay out that money as royalties to the members of whom the music is used. You need to be a member of samro anytime you are writing music or you are creating a composition of music. You would need to be a member of samro, and that will allow you to earn royalties throughout South Africa as well as Swaziland, and we also cater for Lesotho at the same time. samro membership is firstly free, and the compliance is simply, a member needs to submit the required documentation, this simply being, completing a membership application form, signing the deed, authorizing samro to go ahead and, collect on your behalf, and then thereafter providing us with your banking details, and most importantly, also providing us with your list of music and the different share splits that are included, because sometimes you may not write a specific song alone. So with that, you need to make sure that we are well aware as to who wrote with you, and then after that, we can split the money accordingly. So once you've provided us with that information, we put you through a process where we firstly have to wait for you to earn a minimum, as a composer or writer member, a minimum of 100 rands, and then thereafter you will then start getting paid your royalties. As a publisher member, you have to earn a minimum of 1,000 rands, and then thereafter we start paying you your royalties. So simply, once you've complied with that process, all you need to do is continuously update us with any new music that you might create via the portal. That's the easiest platform, because once you register, we give you access to it. And in that sense, then we will collect the data from all the users and make sure that you are then paid your necessary royalties.